I love hardware and I love tools. I've been with this company for 25 years, and the difference is our culture.
Buco, it makes you feel welcome. As a company, it's got this culture of respect. They put people first. They value everyone. My regional manager and my mentor, they are amazing.
We've always been a people's business. And the big part of that is the leadership style. That's one of the key things that drives us or the business to grow. It's about investing in the communities, investing in its staff.
One of our service mottos is that our customers is our family. We're there to assist them and help them expand their business into different areas. I've been with the company for the last 25 years, and I believe your success is in your staff. Guys with the real passion and the knowledge about hardware and building material that makes us so successful, because they give that knowledge and the passion they've got of the business over to the customers.
Small businesses are the backbone of our economy, and we play an important part in providing building materials to those contractors so that they can go and add value and build bigger businesses for themselves.
What I love about building is the fact that you can create something out of nothing. It's a physical being, and it takes quite a bit of ingenuity sometimes to get the building done to the right specifications and to make the customer happy.
Our customer base started off a few years ago, mainly supplying big contractors, and involved over the last few years in supplying the whole range of customers. From your avid gardener, our DIY weekend warriors, and then a big part of our business is the small bakkie builder. Growing our customer base and making sure our customers grow with us. That's a big part of our success.
I've been shopping at Buco for 15 plus years. I know everyone there, they know me, it's like a family. Competitive prices and yeah, friendly staff.
We had quite a few smaller bakkie builders, and now a few years down the line, they're actually a medium contractor, building houses of millions of rands.
The team differs depending on the jobs. So I've got a main crew which consists of about 9 guys, everything from foundations all the way through to the roof, signing off plumbing, electrical, engineer work.
So I think we provide lots of value-added services that a smaller contractor would not necessarily have in-house.
There's a couple of big customers where we've built their businesses with them over time, and they've been very loyal to us, and we've also been very loyal to their business.
What I like about Buco is the fact that I can phone anytime. Their prices are quite reasonable. They do have a credit facility, which is also very nice.
The main focus is customers. For us to win is to give them the best customer service ever.
My team consists of, I've got 5 or 6 bricklayers, 15 labourers, tiling team, a finishing team. So normally a labourer would start as a labourer and then work his way up. That's the only way to learn.
We have over 100 stores countrywide. So as we expand our footprint, a big part of that is about employing people. It's about helping the South African economy and taking younger people into our businesses to grow their own lives.
As the footprint grows, I've got the opportunity to be able to run the store. So it is fantastic for me. I've got a big support structure. Leadership that is motivating and encouraging, and getting youngsters also to get employment, giving young people an opportunity to come and join us, which is something that we want to try and drive going forward.
I started as a learner at Timber City. After my contract, I came here. It is good to be a woman in this environment. I like the fact that I'm learning more about hardware and also building materials.
We want the South African economy to be more sustainable and to make sure that we play our part in doing that. So that's our way of, again, building lives and building homes and building communities.
I've experienced so many changes in this last 25 years, and still I'm excited to come to work because you can't wait for the stuff that's happening in your store, what's new. And seeing satisfied customers at the end of the day gives me big pleasure.